Hi friends, I am Sudeshna and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today you will be amazed to know 10 interesting facts about German and Germany. Today's video is so much interesting. So let's start. We all know that every year a lot of people come to study in Germany because university is free for everyone. In 2014, Germany's 16 states abolished tuition fees for undergraduate students at all public German universities. That means that currently both domestic and public universities in Germany can study for free with just a small fee to cover administration and other costs per semester. German is one of the major languages of the world. German is a native language to almost 100 million people worldwide and the most widely spoken native language in European Union. It is the official language in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Belgium, Luxembourg, Liechtenstein. The first book in the world is the Gutenberg Bible, also known as the 42-line Bible, is listed by the Guinness Book of the World's oldest mechanically printed book by Johann Gutenberg. Germany is one of the European Union's top recyclers. Waste separation means that different types of garbage are collected and recycled separately. If you dispose your garbage illegally, for example by leaving it in a forest or on roadside or burning it, then you have to pay a fine. Germany has been called the world's first major renewable energy economy. Renewable energy in Germany is mainly based on wind, solar and biomass. Germany is famous for its automobiles and the high-speed autobahns. Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, these are the most popular car manufacturers from Germany. The biggest beer festival in the world is of course the Oktoberfest in Munich, Bavaria. The Christmas tree Tannenbaum tradition came from Germany. Berlin has the biggest train station in Europe and Tierpark Berlin is the largest zoo in Europe. Unexploded Allied bombs in Germany. About 600 tons of unexploded ordnance are discovered in Germany every year and they are usually diffused safely. German people are so disciplined and well organized and have everything ahead of them well planned in advance. German people are very punctual. This means if you have an appointment, be there 5 minutes early. They will be most offended if you arrived late. German love paperwork. Here you have to do lot of paperwork and most of them are in German language. Here for any services you have to take appointment like for haircut or if you want to open bank account. Germans are passionate about international travel. It is really easy to take a European trip from Germany. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Then like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you know something interesting facts about Germany, please let me know in comment section below. Bye.